Today in division we will learn long division without remainder. Long division without remainder. Now let us take an example. Twelve divided by 2. Here 12 is the dividend and 2 is the remainder. Now what you do is write 2 here and write 12 here. So this is long division method. Now look here, we write the tables of 2 here. Six, 7, 8, 9. Two zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18. Now look on the blackboard now. 12 divided by 2. Now 2 ones are there. Look here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2 6 are 12. Now you write here quotient. 2 6 are 1, 2, 12. Now 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So the quotient is equal to 6. Now look here, first you have to divide from 1, but 1 is smaller than 2. 2 cannot divide 1 because 1 is smaller than 2. So we took these two numbers 1 to 12. Now we will do another example. Now we will take another example. 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3. Now we will write the division here. 3 is the divisor and 9 is the dividend, like this. Now we will write the tables of 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Three zeros are 0, 3 ones are 8, 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27. Now 3 zeros are 1. Okay, now look here. Here 9 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Now 3 ones are 9. Now look at the tables here. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 9, 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Quotient is equal to 3. 9 minus 9, 0. Quotient is equal to 3. So this way you have to do long division method. Now we take another example. Now look at another example. 27 divided by 3. Now here 3 is the divisor, 27 is the dividend. Now first we take 1 tens place. 2. 2 is smaller than 3. 2 is smaller than 3. So 3 cannot divide 2. We have to take both 2, 7, 27. Now look at the tables of 3 where we get 27. Because this is long division without remainder. There must not be any remainder. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 20. 3 ones are 29, 3 9. 3 9s are 27. Now minus 7 minus 7, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So the quotient is equal to 9. So I hope you understood long division without remainder. Now we'll do exercise 5.3 on page number 93. On page number 93. Now solve the following by long division method. You have to solve the following using long division method now. 10 divided by 2. 10 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. 2 ones are 10. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 1 0 10. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. So 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Next one. 15 divided by 3. Here 15 is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. Now, okay, you cannot take 1 because 1 is smaller than 3. You have to take both numbers, 1 and 5, 15. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 3 is going to 15 how many times? 5 times. 3 fives are 15. Now minus 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. The quotient is 5. 5 divided by 3 is equal to 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Number 3. 18 divided by 9. Now, you cannot take 1 because 1 is smaller than you have to take both numbers. 1, 8, 18. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 8 minus 8, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So, the quotient is 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal, 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. Now number 4. 24 divided by 6. Now you cannot take 2, you have to take both 2 and 4, 24 because 2 is smaller than 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fours are 24. 4 minus 4, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. Now the quotient is 4. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. 6 fours are 24. So remember where I am writing the quotient. Because I am not taking this 1, I am taking this 2, 8. Now you have to write above 1. Zeros have been written above 1s. Also above 1s, here also above 1s. You must write the number there. Now look. 14 divided by 7. Now you cannot take this 1 because 1 is smaller than 7. You have to take 1 for 14. Now 7 times 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. Now 7 twos are 14. Look where I am writing 2 on top of 4. 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 2 is the quotient. Now 12 divided by 2. Now you cannot take this one, you have to take both because 1 is smaller than 2. 2 ones are 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 2 6 are 12. 2 minus 2, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. The quotient is 6. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. Now number 8. 32 divided by 8. 32 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. You cannot take 3 because 3 is smaller than 8. You have to take this whole number 3 to 32. Now 8 ones are 32. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 4 are 32. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. Now number 8. 30 divided by 5. 30 is the dividend and 5 is the divisor. 5 words are 30. 5 will not go into 3. You have to take all because 3 is smaller than 5. 30. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. 5 6 are 3 0 30. Now subtract 0 minus 0 0, 3 minus 3 0. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. 6 is the quotient. Now I hope you understood how to solve division using long division method.